Alright. That yellow can up there is one of my unmodified paint grenades. Alright? Pretty simple. Works pretty effective. You can like throw them into a base like so, and then just pop them with your gun like this. Click on the safety off. Just like that. Go check out the damage. As you can see, if you were hiding in this base, zoom out a little bit, you're pretty much freaking covered. A huge ass range. You can see this, the whole base is covered in it. I mean, they work pretty good from a good range, but I'm trying to make a mine system so where they can be detonated off of a step. Right there you can see where the airsoft BB, there. You can see where the airsoft BB penetrated it. And I mean, it just covers this whole fucking base up. See ya. Alright.